Want to get more done with Manus AI? Here are 7 simple productivity tips beginners can start using today. First, give clear prompts so Manus AI understands exactly what you want. Second, break big projects into smaller tasks to make workflows easier to manage. Third, save your best prompts so you can reuse them later instead of starting over every time. Fourth, use Manus AI for repetitive work like summaries, planning, or content drafts to save time. Fifth, review AI outputs quickly instead of rewriting everything from scratch. Sixth, organize your tasks by priority so the most important work gets done first. Finally, automate repeatable workflows whenever possible so Manus AI can handle more work with less manual effort. Now you know 7 simple Manus AI productivity tips to save time, stay organized, and work more efficiently every day.